वेलकम स्टुडंट. रयत शिक्षण संस्थाच रयत ऑनलाइन स्कूल एज्युकेशन ज्युनियर कॉलेज सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी topic inheritance and variation. Today we have arranged the lecture number 5 presented by Mr. Kharade S.K. Malojiraje Junior College, Lonan, Taluka Khanda, Satara. In the last lecture we have studied the fundamental concept related to the inheritance or Morgan's experiment showing linkage and crossing over. There are fundamental information about T.H. Morgan. Thomas Hunt Morgan was an American biologist, or he studied the fruit fly or Drosophila melanogaster. Now, in this experiment, student works the melanogaster fly. See on screen, this is the structure of melanogaster fly, Drosophila. In this cross first and cross second, or it indicates the phenotypic generation, F1 generation and F2 generation, in which Morgan used a Drosophila melanogaster for his experiment because Drosophila can easily be cultured in a laboratory. Its lifespan is short, about 2 weeks. Moreover, it has high rate of reproduction. Okay. Now, Morgan carried out several dihybrid cross experiments in fruit fly to study genes. Here, fruit fly means Drosophila. Genes that are sex linked. The crosses were similar to dihybrid crosses as carried out by Mendel in pea plant. For example, Morgan and his group crossed a yellow-bodied, white-eyed female to the wild type with brown-bodied, red-eyed males and intercross their F1 progeny. In this cross, first parental generation. Here, small y and small w indicate the yellow-white, and small y and w plus is wild type. It is male, and it is crossed. It produces the wild type yellow-white. And combination chances of this parental type is 98.7% and recombinant type is 1.3%. Here in next step, F2 generation, there are F2 generation wild type cross with the brown white and it gives the yellow white or yellow red progeny. And in the last step, F2 generation wild type and brown white is crossed with the yellow white and yellow red. It is the progeny or offspring in the first cross. Now, in the second cross, it is parental chances of wild type. Here, small w and small m is crossed with w plus and m plus is wild type is crossed with the white miniature. This recombinant chances of this parental type is 62.8% and recombinant type is 37.2%. Here, wild type is crossed with the white miniature and progeny of this white miniature is white normal. Here is also small w and m plus indicates the white normal Drosophila. Okay, here in the next thing or next point, it indicates the F2 generation, wild type, miniature, white miniature and white normal. This linkage and crossing over is present in the Morgan's experiment. Now, what is the observation of this Morgan's experiment is in P1 generation, F2 generation and F1 generation and F2 generation. Here, another thing of this experiment, what is the observation of this experiment? He observed that the two genes did not segregate independently of each other and F2 ratio deviated very significantly from 9:3:1 ratio, means it is डायहायब्रिड रेशो. हा काय आहे 9:3:3:1 3:1 हा डायहायब्रिड रेशो आहे आणि हा डायहायब्रिड रेशो या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मॉर्गन एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये पाहायला मिळतो. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप मॉर्गन अँड हिज ग्रुप knew that the genes were located on X chromosome and stated that when two genes in a dihybrid cross are situated on the same chromosomes, then the proportion of parental combination is much higher than non-parental type. जर हा एक्सपेरिमेंट आपण स्टडी केला तर पॅरेंटल टाइप मध्ये आपल्याला 98% क्रॉसिंग दिसतंय आणि रिकॉम्बिनंट टाइप मध्ये फक्त 1.3% क्रॉसिंग आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. त्याच पद्धतीने सेकंड क्रॉस मध्ये सुद्धा पॅरेंटल टाइपचं क्रॉसिंग हे 62.8 आहे आणि रिकॉम्बिनंट टाइपचं कॉम्बिनेशन किती आहे 37.2 ॲज कम्पेअर. म्हणजे तुलना जर केली आपण तर नक्कीच रिकॉम्बिनंट टाइपचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कसं आहे कमी आहे. याचा अर्थ असा आहे की या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पुढची कन्सेप्ट स्टडी करण्यासाठी आवश्यक आहे मॉर्गन अँड हिज ग्रुप न्यू दॅट द जीन्स वेअर लोकेटेड ऑन X chromosome and stated that when two genes in a dihybrid cross are situated on the same chromosome then the proportion of parental combination in much higher than non-parental type. This occurs due to physical association or linkage of the two genes. He also found that when genes are grouped on the same chromosomes, some genes are strongly linked. They show very few recombination. It is minor percent. Minor percent means 1.3%. When genes are loosely linked, that is present far away from each other on chromosome, they show more higher recombinations. It is 37.2%. For example, the genes for yellow body and white eyes were strongly linked and showed only 1.3% recombination, that is cross first. White body and miniature wings showed 37.2% recombination in cross second. Cross first shows crossing over between genes Y and W. Cross second shows crossing over between these two crossing, and miniature wing indicates the small m. Here dominant wild type alleles are represented with plus sign. त्याच्या डोक्यावरती प्लस केलेलं आहे ते साइन कसं आहे डॉमिनंट आहे. Then next concept is autosomal inheritance. In autosomal inheritance, human somatic, it is diploid structure. 2n cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. They can be divided functionally as autosomes and sex chromosomes. A single pair of chromosome is involved in a sex determination, and remaining 22 pairs are called autosomes. In these autosomes control a variety of traits other than sex. These traits are called autosomes linked traits. In the transmission of body character other than the sex linked traits from parents to their offspring through autosome is called autosomal inheritance. तर या ठिकाणी मुलांना ही कन्सेप्ट तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या की ऑटोसोमल इनहेरिटन्स कशाला म्हटलं जातं तर 22 pairs of chromosome is present in our human body. It is autosome, and remaining one is sex chromosome. Here these autosomes are inherited the genetic traits into the parents to newborn किंवा new child. These autosomal inheritance. Some characters are influenced by dominant genes while some other are by recessive genes present in autosomes. For example, classical example of this autosomal inheritance, autosomal dominant traits like widow's peak and Huntington's disease etc. Here widow's peak म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी बोहरा जो असतो आपल्या केसामध्ये जो बोहरा आहे त्या बोहऱ्याचा जर एका विशिष्ट जीन मार्फत तो काय केला जातो प्रोजेनीमध्ये ट्रान्सफर केला जातो. त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही जर तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये पाहिलं तर त्या ठिकाणी डायग्राम दिलेली विडोज पीक कशाला म्हणायचं आणि स्ट्रेट हेअर कशाला म्हणायचं ते तुमच्या लक्षात येईल डायग्राम पाहिल्यानंतर. ऑटोसोमल रेसेसिव्ह ट्रेट्स लाईक फिनाइल क्युटोन्युरिया, सिस्टिक फायब्रोसिस अँड सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया. सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया विषयी माहिती आपण कालच्या लेक्चरमध्ये पाहिलेली. नाउ फर्स्ट, व्हॉट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ विडोज पीक और इन दिस कॉम्बिनेशन देयर विडोज पीक ए prominent V-shaped hairline on forehead is described as widow's peak. It is determined by autosomal dominant gene. Widow's peak occurs in homozygous dominant and also heterozygous. Here homozygous dominant means capital W, capital W. It indicates the dominant structure. And another is heterozygous. Hetero means different. And capital W and small w is individual heterozygous. In this individual with homozygous recessive means small. Both are small. Both gametes are small. Means small w. Genotype have a straight hairline, no widow's peak. Both males and females have equal chances of inheritance. या ठिकाणी मेल आणि फिमेल मध्ये दोन्ही मध्येही काय होतात समान चान्सेस आहेत की हे स्ट्रेट लाईन आणि विडोज पीक पुढच्या जनरेशन मध्ये ट्रान्सफर होण्याची. आता या ठिकाणी दुसरा टाइप आहे PKU. इट इज ॲन इनबॉर्न मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर. म्हणजे हा एक डिसीज आहे कॉज्ड ड्यू टू रेसेसिव्ह ऑटोसोमल जीन. या ठिकाणी जर जास्त वीक जीन ट्रान्सफर होत असतील तर त्या ठिकाणी हा डिसीज त्या नवीन जन्माला येणाऱ्या चाइल्डला असतो. व्हेन रेसेसिव्ह जीन्स आर प्रेझेंट इन होमोझायगस कंडिशन इन दिस फिनाइल alanine hydroxylase enzyme is not produced in frequent quantity or sufficient quantity. आपल्याला जे आवश्यक आहे त्या क्वांटिटी मध्ये हे एन्झाईम त्या ठिकाणी सिक्रेट न झाल्यामुळे हा डिसीज नवीन चाइल्ड मध्ये किंवा न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्ड मध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतो. दिस एन्झाईम इज इसेन्शियल फॉर द कन्व्हर्जन ऑफ अमायनो ऍसिड इनटू फिनाइल अलाइन इनटू टायरोझाइन. Due to absence of this enzyme, phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine. Hence, phenylalanine and its derivatives are accumulated in blood and cerebrospinal fluid (CSF). Cerebrospinal fluid. It affects the development of brain and causes mental retardation. ब्रेन मध्ये ते सफिशियंट प्रमाणामध्ये सिक्रेट न झाल्यामुळं त्या ठिकाणी मेंटल डिसऑर्डर म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी मानसिक रुग्ण त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतो. इट अफेक्ट्स डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ ब्रेन अँड कॉजेस मेंटल रिटार्डेशन. एक्सेस phenylalanine is excreted in urine. Hence this disease is called phenylketonuria. Okay, in this autosomal recessive traits appear in both sexes with equal frequency. या ठिकाणी हा सुद्धा डिसीज पुढच्या जनरेशन मध्ये मेल और फिमेल या दोन्हीला इक्वली काय करतोय इक्वली स्प्रेड होतोय. दिस ट्रेट टेंड्स टू द स्किप जनरेशन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट सेक्स लिंक्ड इनहेरिटन्स. जीन्स लोकेटेड ऑन नॉन होमोलोगस रीजन ऑफ सेक्स chromosome non-homologous region of sex chromosome are called sex linked genes. The traits that are determined by sex linked genes are called sex linked traits. The inheritance of sex-linked genes from parents to their offspring is called sex-linked inheritance. There are two types of sex-linked genes as X-linked genes and Y-linked genes. आता या ठिकाणी आपण ही सेक्स लिंक्ड जीन्स स्टडी करण्याच्या अगोदर व्हॉट इज मीन बाय लिंकेज काय आहे ते स्टडी करूया आणि लगेच आपण एक्स लिंक्ड आणि वाय लिंक्ड जीनचा स्टडी करू. नाउ फर्स्ट मॉर्गन क्रॉस येलो बॉडीड व्हाइट आईड म्युटंट फिमेल्स टू ब्राउन बॉडीड रेड आईड वाइल्ड टाइप ऑफ मेल. In F1 he got female of wild type. In this cross there are next concept is mutation. The phenotypic variation occurs due to change in genes or DNA sequence is called mutation. The organism that undergoes mutation is mutant. What is mean by mutation? Sudden change in chromosome. एवढीच concept तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा. अचानक झालेला गुणसूत्रामध्ये बदल म्हणजे mutation. The loss, deletion or grain insertion, duplication of a segment of DNA results in alteration in chromosomes. It is called chromosomal aberration. Now next point is gene mutation. The mutation takes place due to change in a single base pair of DNA is called gene mutation or point mutation. Example sickle cell anemia. Frame shift mutation. Deletion or insertion of base pairs of DNA is called frame shift mutation. Now next point, see on screen, pedigree analysis. The study of inheritance of genetic trait in a several generation of a family is called pedigree analysis. It helps in genetic counseling to avoid genetic disorder. In this disease or in this point, genetic disorder means which disease are transferred from the genetically into ancestor. Genetic disorders grouped into two categories. First is Mendelian disorder and second is chromosomal disorder. These two types belongs to genetic disorder. In which first Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder are mainly determined by alteration or mutation in the single gene. It obeys the principle of Mendelian inheritance during transmission from one generation to other. For example, name of this disease: hemophilia, color blindness, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, thalassemia, etc. These are the list of this genetic disorder. Now chromosomal disorder, second type, caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. For example, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. It is sex disorder or sex linked disorder. Now some fundamental information about the hemophilia. Hemo means blood. Hemo means blood. Hemophilia, it is related to the blood. It is a sex-linked recessive disease. The defective individual continuously bleed to a simple cut. एक साधा जरी कट शरीराला किंवा इंजुरी जरी झाली तर त्या ठिकाणी रक्त गोठलं जात नाही. आपल्याला जर एखादी इंजुरी झाली तर आपलं रक्त लगेच गोठतं, बरोबर आहे. पण ज्याला हिमोफिलिया हा डिसीज आहे त्याच्यामध्ये रक्त गोठलं जात नाही, कंटिन्युअस फ्लो होतो. त्याला बरेचसे मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट आहेत, त्यानंतरच ते रक्त काय केलं जातं, गोठलं जातं. The gene for hemophilia is located on X chromosome. Okay, in this disease, a single protein that involved in the clotting of blood is affected. The disease transmitted from unaffected carrier female to some of the male progeny. Okay, now let us see what is the X-linked and Y-linked genes. Here, X-linked means sex-linked genes. The located on non-homologous region of X chromosome and these genes do not have corresponding alleles on Y chromosome. And Y-linked genes is also called Hollandric genes. Genes located on non-homologous region of Y chromosome are called Y-linked genes. Okay. These the Y-linked genes are inherited directly from male to male in man, and Y-linked genes such as hypertrichosis is responsible for excessive development of hair on pinna of ear. This character is transmitted directly from father to son. Okay, थांबूया आपण. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.